Welcome back to Bountiful Gardens. My name is Ike, and if you've been watching our other videos, then you know we're in full holiday mode here at our stores, with trees and garlands, winter planters, and greenhouses full of gifts for everyone on your list. And of course, our signature hand-decorated Christmas wreaths. A Bountiful Gardens wreath is so much more than a bow and a few pine cones. This is something going on the front of your home, the first impression people get when they come home for the holidays. You want it to have a style that feels personal to you and reflects the rest of your decor inside. You can go with something bright and cheerful, or maybe dripping in silver and gold, or maybe a more traditional Christmas design with burgundy ribbon and magnolia. Every handmade wreath is unique, so you know that you're going to have one unlike any other out there. And each one is hand-decorated over at our Lawrenceville store by a dedicated team of designers, with lead holiday designer Mike raising the bar with each one he makes.
I like decoration. Anything sparkly, shiny, natural, anything festive. In my opinion, there's a wreath for every time of year. And if you do it right, you can put a wreath up for any holiday, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's. We use fresh greens. We always have them in stock. We never run out. We're very bountiful at Bountiful Gardens. Not every wreath has to be greens. It could be grapevine, it could be driftwood. Grapevine wreaths or other types of hard, permanent botanicals. They're good for all seasons. You can just take them apart and redecorate them at your whim. And if you don't see a wreath already made for you, we can walk you through ribbons and decorations, and you can have it completely custom made. So my inspiration for a wreath is always the ribbon. So once I get a ribbon picked out, then I grab a wreath that we make right here at Bountiful Gardens. Making a bow, it's not as easy as some people think, but once you practice, it comes naturally, and it is fun. I like to work the ribbon into the wreath. I'm obsessed with ribbon. So once I've made a bow, then I decide if I want to make it a natural wreath or modern type wreath with lots of sparkle, if I want it to be symmetrical or asymmetrical. This year, I'm into natural things. So I'm using a lot of pomegranates and lotus pods, twigs, and different kinds of greens. And we can also match garlands and make custom bows to match the wreath for inside and out. Bow location is up to you. When I make a bow, I move it around the wreath and see where I might like that particular bow. Sometimes I know immediately when I see the ribbon, it's going to go on the bottom or on the top or on either side. We can do any color scheme you like. My favorites are, believe it or not, red and gold. We have some beautiful ribbons that we can make that have snowmen or Santas, gnomes. If you can imagine it, we can make it. It's hard to know when you're finished with your wreath, but I've been finding lately, especially, less is more. If I want to add something, I give a little extra thought into, do I really need it? And if I'm hemming and hawing over it, that means it's done. Beyond our wreaths here at Bountiful Gardens, you can get all of your holiday needs on poinsettias, cyclamen, pots, gift cut flowers, and the list goes on.
So whether it's a gift for someone else or something to adorn your own front door, you know that the wreath you pick out will be like none other on the block. Thanks for watching. As always, if you like this video, be sure to like it down below. And if you had any questions about any of the designs we showed or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment as well. And of course, if you want to see more videos like this in the future, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks and happy holidays.